Are the Kawasaki KX250s any good compared to a Yamaha, YZ, or KTM? Coming from a Kawasaki kind of connoisseur, rode Cowie only for like 20 years, still have more Cowies in my fleet than KTMs. No, they're not. They're garbage. The KXs were cool, so cool. And the 03s and 04s were really good. The 05s were good. I had no 05, it was good. 06s and 07s were kind of crappy. They ran kind of erratically. The power was real on-off. The handling was horrible. They detonate, blah, blah, blah. They just weren't... You get on the KX250 and it felt like a rocket ship, but the YZ250 felt so smooth and so refined compared to the Kawasaki, in the same way that now the KTM feels smooth and refined compared to the Yamaha. It's crazy how times have changed. But no, I don't recommend one.